Hey everyone, today let me show you how to customize character design using Leonardo AI. Let's get started. First, head to leonardo.ai.com and sign up or log in for free. Then here in the home page, scroll through the community feed or featured section and click on the character design that you like. Then here, hit the remix button and this lets you edit the prompt and make it your own. And you can now customize your prompt. Edit the prompt to change the clothing, features, art styles, or even the background. Then, once you're happy with the prompt that you want, then you can now generate it and wait for a few seconds to process the picture. And here you'll see the brand new and customized character. And that's it. Remix, customize, create your own world with characters using Leonardo AI. That's how easy it is to use it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.